rather watch me fall.
Hey all, very good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And my family visited Lepakshi temple, guys. So here is the incomplete Kalyana Mandapam. As soon as we step inside the temple premises, it will really start tracing an impact of its enriched cultural. It is a true splendid creation which really compelled me to think about the master skill posed by the engineers, architects, and whoever else were involved in this creating this masterpiece. 2 years back, I just visited this place, guys. Wow, what an creation, guys! Completely made with stones, pillars, everything, even the idols. So it's a wonderful place to visit as a one-day trip. This place can easily covered in one day trip, guys. Lepakshi is a small village located in the Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh. The famous is Veerabhadra temple is dedicated to Veerabhadra is located here. This temple is one of the finest and oldest temple. Also, it has idols of Ganesha, Nandi, Veerabhadra Swami, Shiva, Bhadrakali, Vishnu and Lakshmi. Lepakshi temple is around 135 kilometers from Bangalore. In fact, it is very near to Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh border. So you can stay in Bangalore and do a day trip to Lepakshi conveniently. Also club your trip to Lepakshi with Nandi Hills. In this temple, huge Shivalingam is also hooded under a multi-faced snake, which is the main attraction for this temple. After this, behind there is a incomplete Kalyana Mandapam. Guys, come on, let's go and see. Sita's footprint inside the Lepakshi temple. After crossing the Kalyana Mandapam, you will arrive to a huge footprint in the temple floor. As if someone stamped with strength on the floor, this footprint is believed to be of goddess Sita. Interestingly, this footprint is always wet. Yet it is believed that since it is the footstep of the divine goddess, the water appears magically as a sign of respect to her and can try to dry or wipe out the water. It slowly seeps back into place. Interesting. 1 kilometer before the main temple, there is a big Nandi statue, another major attraction of Lepakshi temple. But unfortunately, I just missed that bite. Said it is the biggest Nandi statue in India. A very nice park is built up around this statue and is very well maintained. You can spend some time here and can take some good snaps. One more attraction of this Lepakshi temple is hanging pillar. As you walk through the temple, you arrive at a pillar which does not rest on the ground fully. There are about 70 pillars. And each pillar have different history, guys. Only guide can explain it. Whoever visit there, please have a guide so that you will definitely understand the history behind each pillar. That's all for today's fun. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.